Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by enabling the Maps APIs and the billing account in Google Cloud Console. Create an API key and apply restrictions to HTTP referrers or IP addresses for security. Save the key safely and never hard-code it in public repos. Install the official Google Maps package using pip and import it into your Python script. Initialize the client like this. Client equals Google Maps. Client, key equals API key. Use environment variables or a secrets manager to load the key at runtime. Use client, geocode to convert an address into latitude and longitude coordinates. Use client, reverse geocode to translate coordinates back into a readable address string. Request directions with client. Directions by specifying origin, destination, and travel mode like driving. Include departure time to get traffic-aware driving estimates or transit schedules when available. Use client. Places and client. Places nearby for POI searches with keyword and radius parameters in meters. Parse the monitor API usage and billing in Google Cloud Console and set budget, alerts to control costs. Check quota and rate limit headers and implement exponential backoff when you receive 429 or 503 status codes. Cache geocoding and directions responses to reduce repeated calls and lower expenses. Secure your API keys by restricting domains, IPs, or Android and iOS apps in the Credentials panel. Log request ID and errors to troubleshoot issues and validate request parameters before sending them to the API.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.